clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session for My Funded Futures. How is everybody today? What great patterns for the day here. Great patterns. How is everybody? Hawkin, Porsches, Albano, the Luke, Day Trade, Tom. How are you? Dan, Jesus, GB. What's going on? Baba Trading NQ. Alex, yeah, I got it right. Bryce, G Peralta, True, Trade Arch, Double L. White Sick. Let's go, baby. Mikey, Jacques, Josh Simpson. Here, take this. This is for David on Wednesday. Give it to him. Okay. All right, let's see if we can do this here. All right, gold got up to the 40 mark here. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody had a great day here. Let's see here. NASDAQ breaking 29,100. Let's just see if we can get one more push down here. Hello, everybody. Futures, Captain Price, Nicholas Schultz, kaboom. Yep, gold, baby, gold. What a bull flag on gold on the 5-minute. Hello, Linda NQ. How are you? Linda NQ. All right. Look at this gold on this bull flag here. Before we came in, this is a real nice pattern. Look at this. 24, boom. Jesus, 10 handles like nothing. All right. I just can't wait to get out of the month of August here, to be honest with you. Lilo, what's going on? Estimated profit. There you go. Day. Rob Bolzen, how are you? Brave Day, Bible with Bell. Adam, what's going on, everybody? Go Trader, Chicken Trader, Rod Trades, Apple, get in there, Yeast, Son of Wall Street, Primo Trades. Let's do it. Hello, everybody, and welcome. So I'm going to show you a really great pattern for the day here. And if anybody could watch this, look at the 30-minute here and the QQQs here. We're going to do the QQQs. So at 9:45, one too many Qs, 1, 2, 3. So at 9:45, we got this push down here, okay? And the 15-minute time frames had reversed the sell here. And then we got this nice push up into the negative MACD. And then you can see the Qs pushing up here to the 0655, pushed up to a little higher and then dropped about $1.50. But then you got the push up here. This push up here, not only did it set up the short on the 15-minute time frame, it really set up the short on this monster bear flag on the 30. The NASDAQ futures printed 29,230 and then got cabooshed north of 100 points here. And they're off at Belmont, okay? All right, if the gold gets up to the 40 handle, 40 up to 47, 48, I'd short it. NASDAQ, up and away. NASDAQ gets down to the 60 to 90 range. I think you may get one little push up here. All right, how is everybody? Fun boys, what's going on? Todd, what's going on, Todd? All right. This gold pushing up. Oh my God, Jesus. Gold's up and away here. Unbelievable. Hey, Ravlin, how are you? All right. See if this NASDAQ, where the NASDAQ, S&Ps are about to go here. All right. If we get a push up here on the NASDAQ. Let's put the gold up here and the NASDAQ here on the 1 minute. What a nice short up there. Start scaling out of longs up here between the 85 and 90-95 range if we get another push up here. You got some buy divergences here. Here we go. Right back up. Get in there, right? Okay, nice scale on in. 90, you can start out. Gold should drop here. All right, baby goat, what's going on? What's going, Tony Gold, Saya, how are you? This gold, look to cover gold anywhere between the 30, I'd go 38 and 37 and a half and 42 and a half range. How is everybody tonight? Hey, Artak, AT, what's going on? All right. Very, very quiet. Street Beats, John Wayne, how are you? MM Dally. Let's see, this gold starting to drop here. Nice on the gold. Okay. All right. Little caboose, and here goes the gold dropping. Nasdaq, new lows. I wanted to short that up there, actually. A little higher. All right. Hope everybody had a great day here today. All right. Anybody short the gold up there? Hey, K. Yep. Cheesy pepperoni, 7 money bags. Hello, everybody. Tesla bear flag today made big money. You want to talk about Tesla? Let me just show you Tesla. If you want to take a long on the NASDAQ, look to go 40 to 70 down to 40. I want to just show you Tesla here, okay? Let me just teach you this, right? So we got the 15-minute time frame right here, reversing to sell at 9:45. Then the 30-minute reverses to sell. And then you got this monster bear flag. You're getting overbought on the 15-minute time frame and a negative MACD on the 15, a negative MACD on the 30, okay? Anybody short this gold that just dropped $8? Where's the bear? Okay? Okay, and then look at this short. We were shorting this above 250, 358.30. And then, of course, it gets cabooshed and pushes up and then just continually just gets cabooshed here today, okay? And, wow, look at that short in gold. Okay. And then once the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell here, okay, right around 2:30, what is the strategy? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this beautiful bear flag, right? Mr. Freeze, right? Vlad, day trader, you see that, Baba? Okay, you see that? Anybody short this gold that just dropped $10? You short it? Get in there. Get in there. Is that on the one you need to make? What do you need to pass? Not so like. I want exact. Well, get the calculator out. Let's go. Oh, get in there. All right. All right. Beautiful, 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 beautiful pattern. DPS, you got the gold short. Get in there. What a short. Wow. Again, you're making new highs. The 60-minute time frames could not confirm the highs. Mr. Freeze. Mr. Freeze. What's up, Mr. Freeze? I'm doing good, Michael. So anyway, this is a beautiful pattern, okay, on the 5-minute time frame after the 60 reverse to sell. This is an absolute. You could buy the gold here, 28.5 to 35.5 range. This is an absolute Picasso. You can scale out of any longs on the NASDAQ between 70 and 78, 80 range. you're short the gold again, I would be careful here. You have a rising ADX, you have big buying pressure greater than 30 here. I'd be careful, money bag. I'd be buying gold on the pullback. I wouldn't be shorting gold. Okay? All right. All right. Anybody new here today? Franco? Are we going to trade NASDAQ? Yes. 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 Okay. I think I called a long and it pushed up. Christopher Helton, how are you? Okay. Be careful. I would not want to be short this gold, especially with this gold turning up here. You got a monster buying pressure on the 5-minute time frame here. Would not. Look at this. A plus 28. There you go. Couldn't even buy. Just ran $8 there. Oof. Well, hello. Gold just ran $11. Gold's actually really one of the best. Now it's starting to really cook up here.
360.
360?
Yep, I'm at 129.
So you need 360 to pass?
So
After making the 129?
Oh no, so it's
No, you got. Come on, you gotta. Pretend you're in an operating room, okay? And I'm the surgeon, and I say, give me this tool, and you give me that tool, right? Nasdaq just trade up to 82. I hope you can't do right, okay? Gotta be right.
231.
All right, that's what I need. One thing about me, the way my brain works, you got to be exact. You can't be me, because I don't want to waste energy or my brain cells on guessing. Hey, what do you need to pass? 340. What am I down? 231. I need $231 to get funded. That's how I want to hear talking. Okay? All right? All right. No, I'm not doing that. All right. All right, you should have kicked out the long on the NASDAQ above 82 there. Right? No, I'm just serious though, right? You can't, this is, right? You got to have standards. Max is black, get in there, right? Well, S. Krantz, you should have been ready at 7:45. That's called preparation. Let's go. New lows, NASDAQ. Oh, they're going to get, this market's going to get boost. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get 300 likes. That'd be nice. Mr. Freeze. Call me the freeze. I keep blowing down the road. Mr. Tesla Rick. Hi, I'm Iraq. I wait 22 minutes. When happened giveaway? That's hysterical. I can't wait for the when happened giveaway shirts to be made. Right? When giveaway. When happened. No, you missed the word happen. That has become so freaking, I don't know, like between Kabooshed and Kaboom, it's over, get in there. I mean, this has got to be in the top 5, when happened giveaway. I mean, I can't tell you how many people blow up my phone and ask me for this t-shirt. Okay? Matter of fact, where's my phone? I got to talk to my friend now. These guys killing me. You could take a scalp long here, 50 down to 10 on the NASDAQ. Let's see if they get one more. What is that noise? All right. We should actually name the giveaways that Aaron does every night with My Fund the Futures as official. The One Happen Giveaway raffle. Right? I think that's what we should name it. One Happen Giveaway. Not now. No. Oil anyone? When Happen Giveaway raffle. All right, guys, we're gonna be doing the When Happen Giveaway raffle, right? RDJ, what's in there? All right, the One Happen Giveaway. All right, this market's headed for a fall. I'm telling you, I can feel it in my bones. The guy who bought 230 is today on this monster bear flag, right here. Look at this. That was a 283. Where was it? That's no, right here, 230, 233. What a bear flag right here. Scale out above 50 on the NASDAQ if you're long. DJ Danny Girl, get in there. Okay, you got negative MACDs here, so I want to see. Start scaling out of longs above 50. How is everybody tonight? We need to bring back One Happen Giveaway guy back. I don't know what happened to him. Anybody know what happened to the One Happen Giveaway guy? Bear League Trading? Anybody know what happened to him? One Happen Giveaway guy? I don't know. We'll have him. No, he didn't jump. Come on. He got cabooshed. He got cabooshed. Oh my God. Christopher Pac-Man, that's hysterical. Get in there. Oh my God. I can't wait to meet everybody one day, really. Big M, what's going on, folks? He got liquidated. Oh my God, no. Loco Montano. You know what? He should get it. He should get an account. I should get him an account because I'm telling you, this is going to be with me for the rest of my life. One Happen Giveaway. I'm not kidding. Okay. So, but you got to have fun. You got to enjoy life, right? I don't know. I'm Nick. I think we might bump it out. Probably going to bump it out to March. Just too much going on here, building too many good things. So probably want to do it right. We'll go for March during March Madness. Get in there. All right, what are you up now? Down 213 still? 231?
I done rotated to another account.
Okay.
130 on another account now.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Gold making new highs here. If this gold gets above 50 to 58, I'd short it. Scalp the short against the 60-minute non-confirmation. You have a 96 overbought reading on the 60. When Happen Giveaway. All right. 2 times. What's going on? F1. The guy who won the Grand Prix 250 in Washington, he's from right here in Jupiter. Kirk, what's his name? Kirk Westwood, whatever his name is.
Jeff Gordon won the.
Jeff Gordon?
Yeah.
He's still racing?
No, he raced the IROC race.
All right, gold, if it gets up to the 48 and a half to 56 and a half. NASDAQ, if it gets down to the even to 30, 29,000 to 29,030, you could take a scalp long. ADXs are rising here. They're going to get killed. When Happen new website? I'm hoping 2 weeks from now. And we're going to have our merchandise store in there too. So that's when you can get all your t-shirts, up to yin yang, hats, everything. No. Tina pullover. We even made a Tina pullover shirt today. Hysterical. Who did that? Pac-Man did that today, or Diego? I don't know who did it. Look at his gold drop 7. Hysterical. Kyle Kirkwood. Yep, he's from I think Jupiter, Florida. I heard. That's right.
Y'all got a bunch of good drivers around here.
Yeah, they got Tiger Woods.
I say good drivers.
Nasdaq kick out above 30. Just scalp at 30 to 40 range if it gets up there. He dominated the race, right? The new software. Well, I think we have about 5 members in our community who are using it right now, beta testing it, and we're really super excited. Aaron, Ryan, Arton, myself, really, well, mostly Ryan and Aaron and Arton really put a lot of efforts into this as well with the work that we've done and taking combinations of things. So, oh, Diego did the T-shirt. That's got to be a good one. That's going to cost a lot of money. Too many colors, front and back. It is. I'm the king of the T-shirts. I know. All right. Right. All right. This gold just got kabooshed. Fade the pop. Yep. You're getting cooked. Why are you getting cooked? Gold just dropped $8. Well, we're gonna have our own store. So, yep. Let's see here. Nasdaq's finished. I told you, if you look at the Nasdaq on the bigger time frame, I've been telling you this, right? Look at the weekly bear flag, and these 30s are starting rolling over. This is a monster bear flag. Overbought, negative MACD, bear flag. This guy, 30,283, he jumped. Okay, down 1,000, 1,200 points. I would love to see them break this number. Okay, I'd love to see this number right here, 25,900 and then 25,000. Oof, they wouldn't know what to happen. They wouldn't know what happened. Micron would be about 650. SanDisk would be probably 875. Oh, that'd be kabooshed. That'd be kabooshin here. Absolutely. What a kabooshin. Oh. The Bitcoin pop. I think you've seen the lows in Bitcoin. What was it, 59,000? Steven, is Steven here? 59,000. I don't think stretch trades. And I think that the you got to buy the pullback on it. All right. S&P's just reversed the sell. Now you're in a negative trend. Okay, you're in a negative. The 30-minute time for you doing anything?
I couldn't get the program.
What? Why not? You could trade night session. You could.
I couldn't pull up the.
It works during the night session. Nasdaq just traded up above 30 to 40 range. I exit longs.
Says my clock.
Micron 894 down about 15.
My average.
Right now?
Yeah, well.
Why'd you sell options against it? Sell calls against it. What I would do, lock in the premium, right? Hello?
Well, this is it's spot. It's
So
like,
what? You can sell options on spot.
Oh, okay.
HI trades. Hola, Camille. I hope I'm saying it right.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Come on, Nasdaq. S&Ps just ran 2. Diego, you get the long at 61? Oh, now they call me the breeze. Wow, there goes the Nasdaq up 20. There you go. I'd be exiting longs or raise your stops. Okay. Baba trading NQ. Tell me you got that long, Baba. Tina, pull over. How's my health? Okay, God. Yep, thank God. One day at a time. One day at a time. One day at a time. Artan, you got that long? Artan only goes long. I go more short than long, but I still go long though. But you got to pick your spots though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? How come he can't get up and running? I don't want him just sitting here. You know what I'm saying? The trader bait's not working at all. Tell me you got that long.
I want
Let's short him. You probably take the short above 65, 66 to 95 even. Or we won the war. 70 to even. We won the war. What a long. Oh my God. I short him into the negative MACD. Scalped the short. S&Ps, Diego just ran 5. What the heck? There you go. Lower your stops. Scalp it below 60. Get in there. 90. You need to make 185, right? You just made money on that last trade. So what do you need to make now? Remember, you're in surgery, and you got to perform, right? Wow, what a drop! Oh my God! You could not miss that short into the negative MACD.
I was switching my.
You're going in
switching my account.
You're going in the bathroom.
I was switching.
I don't
want
want to hear your hillbilly talk. I don't want to hear it. There's no way you missed that short into the negative MACD. You're going in the bathroom. That's it. No way. You and Chicken Trader going in the bathroom. That's it. And I don't want to hear that hillbilly accent. No way. I don't want to hear it from North Carolina. He's in the bathroom. That's it.
Honest.
No way. You're going in the bathroom. I don't want to hear it. Bobby, put him in the bathroom. Him and Chicken Trader. That's it. Yep, they're both going in. That's it. It's over. There's no way you could have missed that short into the negative MACD.
I was switching.
I don't want to hear it.
To a different account.
And you got to get going here. Okay?
Mhm.
Figure this out. Can somebody help him? Okay, you have to help him now that you missed that short. Okay? There's no way in God's creation you should have missed that short. Just drop 30 points. You fade the pop. You fade the pop. Get in there, 7 money bags. 95? What are you on, morphine? $55. It went to 75. I hope you shorted more. Look at this gold. Gold just dropped 15. Oh my God, this gold is going to get slaughtered. 10 points. You should have got more than that, Captain Price.
Yeah, but
Your clock is out of sync. Is that a T-shirt?
It said his atomic clock was out of sync.
the atomic.
Pac-Man. His clock was out of sync. That's a T-shirt. We got Chris, Jeff, and Danny. All right, Danny girl. All right, if this NASDAQ gets up to 80, you can maybe go 75, 80, up to 05 on the NASDAQ. Gold should probably be bought here between the 25.5 and 33.5 range. Going to 88, I just got up to 76, I think. Your clock is out of sync. I've never seen that one before. Trade of 8. All right, just scalp. If you're short 75s, just scalp it for 10. Gold's going to turn up here, but make a lower high. You got the 15s rolling over. Good job. Fade the pop. Well, what does it mean, Big M? I have that all the time with Trade of 8. Clock out of sync. That's a T-shirt. Diego, that's a T-shirt. Clock out of sync. Yeah, this store is going to be gigantic. Going to have 50 different T-shirts. It doesn't stop you from trading though. Are you back up? Gold just rallied $6. Get in there, Ravlin. All right, if they get up to the 85, up to 210, I'd take a scalp short here. Oh my God, gold just ran $8. What a long down there. What idiot sold 21s? So again, you're making new lows and non-confirmation on the S&Ps and NASDAQ on the bigger time frames. Tina, pull over. What happened? Okay, hit 85, 87. Lower your stops if you're short. Wow, gold just dropped, rallied 9. Got to be focusing on this gold. Never hit 85. Never hit 85. Sorry, I thought it hit 85. Thought it hit 85. Oh, all right, bye-bye. Oh, jeez. Are you up?
Yes.
So start scaling out. So start, so 1 at 88. Let me just practice, okay? So 1 at 88. So 1 at 2 at 98. Just keep practicing, right? NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover below 80. Just drop 10. You short the 88s?
Yeah.
All right, good. You short the 88s? Well, you got to look at the MACDs. All right, next. Did you sell one? Oh, him. Christopher.
Oh,
I'm trying to teach you.
Is it 8?
Go 90 up to 20. You short 88?
76.90.
What?
You said 76.
I told you 88. Jesus, gold just rallies $15 off that pattern. What's up, Denny Johnson? You want to scalp the gold short 50.5 up to 57.5, 8. If you're okay. You short? Or were you short 90? Drop down to 80. We won the war. Okay. Hey, Wolfman. Where's Wolfman? Is he here? Ethan, how are you? Sir. I don't know if that gold hit 50. All right, lower your stops on the short. Hello. Let's go. You're short, right?
I got a.
Give me an update. I'm look. I got it right here. Hear me? Right. What did gold? The gold hit 50? I don't know if it did or not. 50.5. 50.5. If you're short the gold at 50, it just dropped $4 here. Okay. Are you short the gold? I mean, short the NASDAQ? Chris? It said, did you short the NASDAQ?
I'm on it. That's what I've got. I don't have.
You should let me know that then. All right. Where are you short the S&P? 70? Okay. Oh my God. Then look at the gold drop. $6 on this gold. Pretty good action all around. I think so. Got the short. How is this market not down 5,000 points? Oh, freaking rigged. What's up, Corb? Bear trader, get in there. Anybody short the gold above 50.5? Anybody? Nick? Nobody? RDJ? Ethan? Tris Trade? Linda NQ? Denny Jones? I think Denny's in the house here. Is Denny in the house? Is Denny in the house here? Yeah, probably not the real one. All right. All right. You can short some S&Ps, 70.5, 70.5, go 70.5, 72, sell 73.5. Go 1, 2, 4. Okay?
Okay.
Let's do it. The practice. I don't care. See if this NASDAQ probably get up to the 95 up to 25 range, 95 to 15, 25 range. Got 95s?
I was trying to get
95. You get filled at 70 and a half? Now let me know. Okay, bid 60. Oh, okay. Oh, 70 and a half, 72, 73 and a half, and 75. You're just practicing, right? You're just practicing. If this gold gets up to the 51 and a half, to the 58 and a half. What's up, Denny? Get in there. Cover the NASDAQ anywhere between the 75 and 90 if you're short. These fives are going to roll over. All right, so you could bid 69. So how many are you short? One? Not the you told me you're short. How many are you short?
He's out of the position.
What do you do?
I don't know.
Why?
It was
You're long. I called a short.
Yeah.
Like sell one
That's
that's
why you practice on the dom.
sell one at
That's
seven.
what I was on,
Can you
yeah.
sell one at 70 and a half, please?
Okay.
Please. Okay. Thank you. I just want to practice with you, okay? If I'm calling a short, you don't go buy it. If I call long, you don't go short it. I'm just practicing with you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's Sarge? He's here. Hey, no brainer. What's going on? Anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Okay? Bye-bye, NASDAQ. Okay? S&Ps, if you're short 70 and a half, just look to cover anywhere between the 67 and a half, 69. All right, Miss K, Mosdef, Sergeant Banner, he's here. Yo, Brooklyn, what's going on, Jay Reardon? The short in NASDAQ is not doing so well. Whatever you're on, send me a case. Okay? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay? S. Krantz, I don't know what you're doing,
Yeah, boy.
but
Yeah.
I think they're going to roll over here. Short? You got to keep me updates here. Okay? Gold is kabooming. Yes. NASDAQ's getting kabooshed. Drop 15. Okay, you can cancel your offers now. If I say short, you have to go to the right side of the column.
Yes.
If I call longs or look to cover shorts,
Mm-hmm.
you have to go on the left side of the column.
Yep. Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Baba Trading, you have no idea. Sergeant Banner is always watching. He is the eye in the sky, watching you. Right? Remember that song? He is the eye in the sky. Gold 4,000? I think so. Gold will hit the 5,000 mark in a few weeks. Now, gold, I cover gold here below 50 and a half if you're short. Again, you're making new highs, non-confirmations. Just dropped about 3. 5,100. The Alan Parsons Project. Remember that? I am the eye in the sky, watching you. Oh, all right. Where's this gold going? Is MACD below the pivot on what? Gold, NASDAQ, S&P, wait, silver, what? You can't just float out a question like that. Why would you think gold will drop coming? I think it's extremely overbought, and I think that the 10-year bond could eventually go to 5%, and that will caboose gold. You know what? Bear league trading, I don't make predictions like that. I just think that based upon the fundamentals of the market, the overbought condition. Yeah, look at gold. Here, look at this. You're 200, and look at you're 300 points above the 10 bar. 300 points brings us down to 44 and a half. Okay? If you take out 44 and a half, the dailies go negative. You may get a rally then another push down. Okay? But if you look at the gold here, the weeklies have a 95 overbought reading. This is a monster bear flag. Okay, now, do I think gold's going to go to 4,000? No. I think gold can get to 4,250 and stay above this algorithm here. Okay, and then I think you buy it. NASDAQ back above 0%. Okay. Oh. All right. Now you could look to short the NASDAQ here. 15, 18, 20, 20 up to like 60 range. We won the war. Fade the pop. Up. Something just came out. Cover anywhere between the even and 15 range if you're short. Hey, Michael Keogh. Are you short the S&Ps? Where? Come here. I need an average price. I need how many contracts. I can't assume. How many?
One.
At what price? You're up 200?
Oh.
So you're short where? 73?
375.
How many? All right, cover it. Just cover it. Lock it in. 275.
Yep.
How much? Okay. How many contracts were you short? You can't make 275. Are you doing big ones? Are you doing micros? That's not what I'm asking. Are you trading the big ones or are you trading micros?
These are.
That's not what I'm asking. There's two types of contracts to trade. You have the big ones and you have the micro e-minis. The big ones are $50 a point.
As the minis.
The big ones.
No, I mean.
So then he can't make,
MES.
right, so he can't make $275 on one contract if he makes a point. Get in there, Artan. Not,
Is it short him?
yeah. And then
Put
I
him on the
look to
MES
look to
early.
cover even to 15 here. Yes, Franco. I sent it to you, Franco. You didn't get it? I sent it to you on I sent it to you. The 5-day free trial.
Should I do the ES?
I don't know about what you're saying. Everybody's blowing their accounts. Okay, you're not trading properly then, RK. Okay, you're not trading properly at all. Okay. You're not trading properly. Just trade it down to, so if you're short here and it trades down to 06, you don't cover. If you're short here okay, or wherever you were short here. Okay, I forgot. And then covers here at 83. I don't know what you're doing, to be honest with you. How is this market rallying? Gold just dropped. This NASDAQ gets up to 50, it's a short. What he means cover. What he means by cover. Oh my God. That's another t-shirt. Pac-Man, here's another one. What's he mean by cover? Oh my God. Can somebody make that t-shirt, please? Cover means if you're short here at 45 and it's dropping and I say look to cover shorts, okay? You'll make the t-shirt? Okay, you make your own t-shirt. I love it. Gold just dropped $6. NASDAQ, if you're still short in this range, I'd be covering shorts between the 20 and 30 range here. You got non-confirmations here on these push-up. NASDAQ ran 100 points off the low. I don't know where you're short, S. Krantz. Where are you short? And why are you not trading in and out? Okay? Where are you short, S. Krantz? I think the 15s are going to roll over here. But where were you short though? I'm asking a question. Where were you short? Yeah, stop asking about giveaways. My entry was 25 up to 25 up to 65. It pushed up here to 33. Then I said when it dropped, I said look to cover even to 15. So if you're short up here and it drops to 06, you're going to have to cover and then lower your stop, right? I don't know where he's short. Where are you short for the 90th time, S. Krantz? Where's he short? Are you short? Chris?
At 50.
Christopher, are you short?
76.3.
How many? Just bid 72 and 3/4 for one. Let me just see. $63. You can't do single lot entries. You're doing this all wrong. If you're short here at the 230 time period and it drops down to 40, you have to lower your stops. You have to lower it. Look to cover. You can't do single lot entries here. You know what? You need to call me 914-500-7484. Okay? You need to call me. We got to go over this here. If you want to be successful. Let's drop 30 off the highs. Wait till these 15s roll over here. A little bull flag here. And gold looks like it's going to roll over here on the 60s. Solomon, what's oversold? It's getting overbought. You cannot, and you can do what you want, but I just want to say, if you're scalping the short, okay, and you have to, as it's dropping, you lower your stop. And if you're going to do single lot entries, you do what you want. You're on your own. I've never seen anybody successful, okay? Gold just dropped $10 just now, $9, okay? I've never seen anybody successful doing single lot entries. Okay, that's just me. And I've traded with the best traders in the world. Okay? That's just me. My God, look at this. Are you short the gold? I told you today. 2 DOMs up. Right?
Trade away.
I don't care. Then put a DOM up on another account and go back and forth, right? If it allows you. 5-minute bull flag. Wow. Jesus. I was about to say this 1-minute bull flag here. All right, let's just see if this 15s can just... How do you do multiple lot entry? So if I call a range here, let's say I called a range here, 29,140 up to like 80. You scale in every 10 to 15 points, right? You go maybe 1144, right? Maybe you get 6 contracts, you bring your average price up, it drops, you start covering, right? You can't do single lot entries. We're gonna do short 63s, watch it drop to 46. You don't cover your shorts, and then you, as it's going up, you don't stop yourself out, right? You got to see the way you got to see what we do here during the day. A pretty, a perfect example. So we were short Tesla on Friday. It dropped. I said, lower your stops. Kept on dropping. Lower your stops. We were covering, lowering our stop, right? Finally, a beautiful bull flag set up, right? 355.50, right? I said, I cover all your shorts, and then I would look to go long. It pulled down to 55.10, 355, and then ripped up to 359. And we just kept on raising our stops on the way up. All right, this Bitcoin, another corrupt instrument. Hey, Brad Thomas. Anybody trading Bitcoin futures here? Just ran 1,000 points in one bar, right? I think the Nasdaq's going to drop too. It just dropped 10 off the highs here. I was about to say take the 15 long on the bull flag here, but gold just got cabooshed here, about $12. When, not when, W-E-N, W-H-E-N. Oil cabooshed. Where is it? Oh my God. Where do you? Anybody know where? I'm short USOs up to yin yang. Anybody know where the USOs are? Nvidia's going to rip. Why is Nvidia going to rip? The earnings? I don't know about that. You never, Joey numbers? I never got a number. I never got somebody. Really? Can you text me again? 914-500-7484? Anybody know where the USOs are? 3174? What? I'm short USOs. At 3274. Where are they trading? I'm up money on it. Let me see if I should cover some of these here. I'm up about 90 cents on them. I'm gonna ask them. Cover 3184. You have Interactive Broker, so I should be able to cover it. I'm short. Beautiful, beautiful short. All right, gold made me have one more push up. NASDAQ just keeps hitting 4. I think these 15s are going to roll over. Where are you short? 73 and where are you short? Chris? Where?
Oh,
Don't have to 74.25 now?
74.25.
Okay. Don't have to say the full. Wow, I'm up $1 on USOs. 31.76 cover. Covering.
Copy.
No, I'm talking to my oil guy. I'm gonna cover some here. I'm short at 131.74. All right, cover 73 and a quarter. Just practice. Whatever you're short, cover 73 and a quarter. I'm not saying the full. Gold just dropped 14. For NASDAQ here, above 40 I would. You told me 74 and a quarter. That's what you just told me.
I gotta know that.
What?
Exit.
I didn't tell you to exit. I said to bid 73 and a quarter. I didn't tell you to exit. Now you should have been filled at 73 and a quarter. Oh my God, gold just got slaughtered. NASDAQ down 20. Gold just dropped 8. I can't even speak. Gold just dropped 19. Rip gold. I want gold to go down. I'm short. Crude rally. Damn it. I hope he covered this USOs. Damn it, this oil. Gold's down 20. Can I ask you a favor, Jeff? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is he short or long? I can't take it. Is he short?
He's short at 73.75.
Okay, can you buy one back at 72.75, please? Chris?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, gold's getting killed. The NASDAQ and S&Ps are going to follow. Look at this gold. Nothing but shorts up there in the non-con. I told you the 60s are going to roll over. What happened? Oh my God, look at this oil. I told him to cover at 131.76. Damn it. I am the eye in the sky. China? Okay. Are you flat? Did you cover it? That's not what I said. I told you to buy him back at 72.75. That means you click on the left side and you buy it back. It was trading 72.5.
I would head to.
Well, it should have because it was trading 70. Can you put a bid there?
Mhm.
72.75. Look at this gold. Look at this oil. I'm praying to God he covered my short. Nothing happened because the Nasdaq's up 100 points off the low. Gold's down 22. I love this gold. Shorten this gold. Freaking oil just ran 30 cents. Yeah, look at the oil off the 15-minute time frame. Turned it up. Oh my God, look at this gold. Why is the Nasdaq not breaking? It's going to break.
116.
It's going to break. I mean, gold just dropped $26 off the high, right? Okay, he's bidding 72.75. Jeff?
Yeah, he's flat.
Oh, he's flat now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understand when I say bid, Chris? You go on the left side and you click.
Yeah, I haven't done.
It's not covered calls or puts. This is futures, right? You're covering a short position, right?
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
Well, let me ask you a question. Before you got here, you were trading options, right?
Yes.
Okay, so answer the question, right? So let's say you bought XYZ at $5 and it went to $7. Are you gonna sell it or are you gonna wait for it to expire and take the stock?
If it's
Okay, so what's the difference if you're taking a long and it's pushing up and you sell it versus shorting it, and if it drops, you cover your short, right?
we'd have to talk
What-
about on the front of a whiteboard.
Okay, no problem. I'll explain it to you. This gold actually should, the 30 minutes reverse to buy here. This gold may get one more push up. If this gold gets down to the 23.5 to 30.5 range, I'd probably look to buy it. Okay, if it gets down. Actually, it got down to go 23.5, 9.5. Look at this oil right back down. Jesus, look at this. Look at this. 15 cents on oil. Of course, now the market's going to rally. So just to go over this, if let's say Google, right? Let's say you hear me say this is a beautiful pattern, beautiful bull flag, right? And you say, okay, I'm gonna go buy a Google. Google's trading 348. You want to buy a Google 240, a 345 call for just say $4.5. Okay.
Buying in the money.
Yeah, you're buying in the money call. It doesn't make this is just make believe, right? Okay. So now the stock's trading 348. The strike is 345. You want to buy one contract. I'm calling a beautiful bull flag, and you buy Google one contract, one Augie 345 call. Okay, at 41 and $4.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Gold.
Yeah, you can go 23.5. You can go 9.5. I said. Start scaling out of gold above 31 if you bought it. Okay. Now, Google is trading 348. Now, Google trades to 350. These options that are 4.5, they go to, let's say, 5 3/4. Right?
Okay.
You just made 1.25 on that option. Yes. Okay. Look at it. Gold go. Okay. Now, you sell it. You're selling along, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Like, okay. Okay? That's example number one. Okay? Okay. I called a short today in Tesla off the 15-minute time frame. Stock's trading 358.50. Bunch of people shorted it. We shorted it. We bought puts. Well, right? We bought puts. I like to sell calls. Okay? Gold just rallied $8. Okay? Brian, you get that? You get that long in gold? You just asked me
I
about
was
it.
too late. I was too late.
Too late.
I was too late.
You mean you're too slow?
Yeah, too slow. Yep.
That's a different story. Okay? All right. So now we're short Tesla at 358.30. The stock's trading. Okay, I said Tesla's got a bear flag, right? Beautiful pattern on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right. We buy the puts. We buy the 355 puts for $7. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Stock drops to 355. Right? These puts go to 10. You sell long the puts, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
For sure.
But if I'm short the stock, which, right, forget about me trading options. Let's say I shorted 1,500 shares at 358.30,
Okay.
and now it's dropping,
Mhm.
and I cover down 2 points, 356.30. Am I up money? Okay. So if I'm short, I have to do what? Cover my position and lock in the gain. If the stock rallies against me,
Mhm.
let's say the stock rallies, let's say news comes out,
Yeah.
and I get kabooshed.
Okay.
So, Elon Musk is buying back $10 billion worth of stock.
I'll bet it.
Okay, let me forget about that. I don't care.
Yeah.
Okay? And now this thing rallies $3, $4, and I say, just cover it. And I lose 4 points, so I lose $6,000. Right? I'm covering my short position. Right? I'm taking a loss. Okay? If you don't understand, don't okay me. Look at this gold right back up. Oil. Jesus, Lord God. And the market's pushing up too. How is the market pushing up? What, on gold?
No, on the NASDAQ.
Look at this gold. Look at this oil. Gold just rallied. Gold just rallied $9 on that. So there's two ways to trade the market: long and short, right?
Yep.
There's not 500 combinations, right?
Nope.
Okay, long and short. Gold's a short, Nasdaq's a short. These 15s are going to roll over here.
Is that a bear?
It's a 15 and 30-minute bear flag.
Okay.
I think they're going down.
I got it.
Jesus, good
Entry
thing.
on
I hope I
Nasdaq.
covered my short, my USO. It just actually ripped 50 cents on my USOs. What?
I got a order short at 140 on NASDAQ.
Okay. You have to be very, very fast when it comes to this trading on the dollar, right? And you can see the difference between the S&P and the Nasdaq. The S&P is like a guy who's 105 years old. The Nasdaq's like some 18-year-old crazy lunatic kid. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's night and day. Why is it night and day? One asset's trading 29,200, 300, whatever it is. The S&Ps are trading 7,700. So you literally, it's almost 4 times the amount.
Mhm.
So if you took AMD, which I trade every single day, AMD, and you put SMCI next to it, AMD is trading 455. SMCI is trading now about $40 a share. You're gonna trade a lot different.
Mhm.
For AMD to move $3, maybe SMCI moves 50 cents.
Right.
So it's different DNAs, right?
For sure.
No, no, not at all. Every asset trades differently. Microsoft's going to trade a lot differently than Amazon,
Yes.
right? It's double the price,
Yes.
right? SpaceX is going to trade a lot differently than Tesla.
Yes.
So you got to understand the DNA capabilities of these stocks.
All right, we got 261.
Okay, number 11.
RKKDK.
I'm mad at him.
Oh,
He
well,
won today, though. Congratulations.
if he's here.
Oh, I'm mad at him. Guys, don't say you're here when it's not you. Come on. You got Sergeant Banner here. All right?
Going once.
Going twice.
Call it.
He's here?
No, call it.
Next!
Yep.
Number 14.
Mi vida dolce.
Avida Dolce.
Mi vida dolce.
Upside, inside. Oil's going to go right back up.
They here?
Nope.
I see him. Yep,
He's
next.
here?
Yep.
Okay, number 73.
It's Rock Drigo. Rock Drigo.
Never heard of him.
Yeah, me either. Yep, here, next.
Okay, we'll do 131.
131 is Andy C 4685.
Andy C.
Andy C.
Nasdaq's going to get kabooshed here. If you're short of 40, just lower your stops. And who's short at 63? I would have sold more at 40, bring your average price up, 40, 80, would bring it up to even, right? Or at least to like 97 or 03. Is he here?
Yep. All right. Back to you.
Okay. All right. How much are each one of your pips? Pips are pips worth? Pips are Forex people. What do you got down? I got negative 138. What do you got? Bill? On the
The
gold?
140.
You shorted the 40s?
Yeah.
Good, you're up 20 points. I know, ticks are futures, or handles are futures. People getting chopped around right now? I don't know about that, Ludan. My people are making money here. I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. Gold's been a big winner tonight. I'm not going to answer that. Are there next giveaways still left? What is this? Is there next giveaway still left? That's another T-shirt. Who writes like this? I mean, I was no Rhodes Scholar, but I never write like this. No, look at this one here. Where is this? Is there next giveaway still left? I mean, come on. Well, this oil was along here. I understand that, but they could type right. Yes, XP, AXP. What's the question? English is a difficult language? No comment. Okay, if British, they're very proper, right? Yeah, I don't execute my own orders at all. Look at this Bitcoin 800. You guys should be looking at Bitcoin and be trading Bitcoin futures. I'm sure my friend, I know, Ravlin, I'm running out of space in our store for T-shirts. I think this gold's going to get another push up here on the 15-minute time frame. Bitcoin is short above the probably about above the 850 level. All I'm saying is take your time and type the question right. That's all I'm saying. I'm not mad or anything like that. And I just, and I also, it's slow. I'm trying to make people laugh. I'm not insulting anybody. I'm just trying to have fun. Okay. That's all. I'm not mad at anybody. I think it's pretty funny though, Thank you, Scout. I'm not mad at anybody. It's quiet. It's slow. The end of August. You got to have, like Christopher, I agree. I'm trying to have fun. How many times a day we laugh in our live stream? Are you kidding me? If you can't laugh trading, then I mean, there was a time I was down so much money on a stock. I was still laughing. I had to. What do you want to do? It is what it is, right? I made a joke. I didn't tell him go blank yourself, or I should have bought this. This oil is gonna go, man. 06, just ran 14. I'm gonna leave this oil. This oil is pretty good. This Nasdaq's going to break 29,000. Who's still short at 63? Right, Lone Wolf. You got to have. This is. People got to have fun when you're trading. There's nobody insulting anybody. You're making. I mean, one happen giveaway is taking off. I mean, people think it's funny. People think it's humor. You got to have fun. I mean, what are you going to be like this? So tight in your life? Nobody's calling anybody any names or mocking anybody or doing anything disrespectful. Come on, man. I call him a hillbilly. Does that mean he's mad at me with that accent? AXP, you ain't kidding, brother.
It's funny because where I'm from is pretty flat. Not me.
Who is short the NASDAQ at 63? Did you sell more up there? And then you're 63, 40, that's 80. You should be short at 37, 40. You should be short probably around the even level. No, he's short lower. And I said I would sell more above 40. Oh my God, look at this oil. Nasdaq's gonna break 29,000. Let's go. I mean, you gotta have a sense of humor. You can't just be so uptight. You guys see the way we laugh during the day in our room. People chopping on each other. We're all family. But you know what? If one of those people needs something done, you watch 20, 30, 40 people will go help that person in my community. Damn it, the oil ran 20. Huh? Gold. Let me watch it here. If this gold gets down to the 18 to 25, I'd look to take the long. I mean, seriously, you got to see how we joke around during the day and everything like that. But if one person needs help, and let's say it's that one person we're joking around about, right? You see 15, 20, 30, 40 people will go help that person. That's the way it should be, period. Right? Come on, NASDAQ, break 100. No joke, no life. I agree. Go below 4,700 tonight? That might be a tough one. We'll see. $100. Down 40 on the NASDAQ. So if you're short at 63 on the NASDAQ and you didn't sell more at 40, shame on you. Okay? Boom. 100. Adios. Okay? When cover short. Okay? Laughter is the best medicine. Hands down. I would cover shorts here on the NASDAQ. I said it 4 times I short above 40. Now, if you want to take a scalp long on the NASDAQ, you have a triple Lindy. I don't know. These 15s are going to roll over here. When the 30s? Oh, my God. See. I think gold, you could scalp the long on the gold. You could look to buy the NASDAQ here anywhere between the 65 and even. You got one more push up. What means cover? That's another t-shirt. NASDAQ just rallied 7. Get out along on the gold anywhere between the 25 and the 28 range. You should get one more push up off the 15s. You know, here's the biggest problem with the gold that you guys don't remember, that you guys aren't talking about, right? There goes the Nasdaq up 15. When gold rallied from 39.85 up to 47.50 here, you have to be very cognizant of what? Anybody know what you have to be cognizant of? Anybody? Anybody? No? When you have this massive rally of almost 700 points, wind cover caboose. I like that one too. What do you have to worry about? Anybody know? No, not margin calls. Anybody know? Come on, guys. What do you, if gold goes 700 points, what do you have to worry? No, stop orders. You have to worry about stops. Right? Not selling on the way. You have to worry about stop orders on the way down, Mikey Jacques. Big institutional stops, 3, 4, 5, 600 point contracts, pencil downs. And look at the gold. Get out. Hello, gold's rallying. Nasdaq just ran 15.18. Gold, I'd be scaling out the longs here. Just went from 22 to 28. Right? John Wayne, you have to worry about stop orders. Right? Right? You have to worry about stop orders. Look at the Nasdaq right back up 20. I think we make Kabushka t-shirt. No, that's not the way you spell it. Up 1,700 for the night. One happened correction. That's a t-shirt. Nasdaq up 20. You get the long? No?
Nah,
I think the low was what, 96 and a half?
yeah.
97. That was a triple Lindy.
It just
All right. Baba kaboom. No, it's kaka kaboom. You were not able to get out of my short on the Nasdaq. Now I'm back in Jordan. What'd you do? Go put the garbage out? What's a triple Lindy? It's a buy divergence and a sell. Look at the Nasdaq. Look at it's a buy divergence. It's a buy divergence in a negative trend. How could you not cover the short? I don't understand this. Raveling, get in there. I didn't think that was fast. It was trading 100, 99, 98, 97. I don't know. That wasn't fast at all. If you think that's fast, wait till September, October, November. It's moving too fast the way you call stuff. Oh my God, I give up. I called it short at 40, and when it was dropping, I said, look, this thing is going to break 100. How the hell is that slow? I don't get it. That's too fast? That's too fast. Lou Dan? That's too fast? If you think that's fast, then you should be on my Discord. Look at this oil drop. 34, just dropped 17. You Futures duck, you think that's too fast too? You think that's too fast? Look at this NASDAQ right back up. Oil got kabooshed. I said when the NASDAQ was trading 120, I said, watch the NASDAQ break 100. And then I said I would look to go long 65 to 100. Now, maybe you didn't buy the long, but you should have definitely have covered the short. Okay. Look at the gold. Exactly. We're in a school speed limit zone. This is not fast. You think this is fast? Look, wait till some of the openings. When I'm short AMD, Broadcom, this, that, boom, 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 and up and then down. Forget it. Oh, what a short up there. I just missed a short at 47. Jesus. When happened kaboosh? Yeah, but if you hear me calling the long to go long, that's automatic. Just close, right? Just dropped 30 points just now. Izzy Lizzie, I disagree. I'm sorry. I think I don't know. You can have your opinion, but I don't agree. It's down 40 points. I think September is going to be insane. I think a week after Labor Day is going to be completely bonkers. Boom, oil. Oh my God. See if this NASDAQ, remember, you're still negative on the 15 and 60-minute time frames on the NASDAQ. So, oh, they're all in the Hamptons. Every one of them. They're all in the Hamptons. I called my friend. I said, you got a minute? He goes, call me in a week. I have a house full of people. I'm like, oh my God. My friend, my good friend of like 20 years. Still waiting. I hope he covered my USOs down there. All right, this gold's a buy here again. If this gold can get down below the 25, what was the low here? If you can get this gold between the 18 and 25, these 15s and 30s, you got a monster bull flags here. You see the bull flags on the gold? You see them on the 30s? Oh my God, this gold's, I'm praying for a pullback. Nasdaq's about to print new highs here. S&P's new highs. Get the long on the gold. To get funded or to get paid?
To get
Okay,
money, though.
that's nothing. Uh, it's got to get up to 65 before I would short it. You got 30, you got to see if these, oh my God. Got to see if these 15s reverse the buy here. Bitcoin just stopped. All right, NASDAQ new highs. NASDAQ just dropped, hit 55, just dropped 10. S&Ps are making new highs. Short? Jeff?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Big number is this 152.5. Take care, XP. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. I think this goal is going to push up. You long go below 25? Got some bull flags setting up on this gold on the 30-minute time frame. I stream Monday through Thursday, AXP. Nasdaq just dropped 12. Lower your stops, Jeff, if you're short.
Yeah.
I think I think gold's going to turn up here. Gold just traded below 25. I think this gold's going to go. You got the 50. Look at the bull flag on gold. This oil had a bear flag here. Anybody trading the oil? I just left the oil up here, but look at the gold on the 30-minute time frame. You want to talk about a bull flag? Oof, forget it. The 15s are oversold here. Should have bought this gold just now here below 25. Look at the 1 minute. 25, boom to 28, 24 to 28. And look at the 30-minute bull flag. This is a monster bull flag on gold. And the 30s reversed to buy, and you're in a positive trend. I think this gold's going to rip. What happens, shade trades? If you long the gold, it just traded out and just ran $5 off the low. That's why I said look to buy in between 18 and 25. I'm calling the 30-minute bull flag for the last 15 minutes, right?
When I was about to get in there.
Okay, but you were slow because when I called the long, it was trading 29, and then it dropped down to 24.20. Okay, 55 on the NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Okay, they're gonna roll over here. This gold's gonna rip. I think the S&Ps and NASDAQ are gonna get kabooshed. Let's see. There you go, futures duck. Iceman's here. Where's Iceman? The guy here can keep up. He was short at 55. Okay, how much you up? Cover him. 76.
Down from,
Forget. First of all, forget about
100 down.
you made 300 back. Down 400, which was only
21.50.
okay, I don't care.
48. That'd be
Down 400 from today. Started with 50,000, right?
right there. Yeah.
What were you trying to cover?
Oh,
What did it get down to?
sure.
I just gotta lower your
I was trying
stop.
to
You
put
just
a
gotta
magnet on my
you just
chart.
gotta lower your stop to like
Oh,
22.
yeah, I'm already locked in.
Okay, so when we left today, he was just practicing. He was down 400. How did he lose 1,100 between then and now? See if this gold can get down to the gold can get to 17.5 to 24.5 range, I'd look to buy it again. I want to see this. I want to see these 30-minute time frames roll over. What happened?
Gas magnet on my chart.
I'm still trying to figure out how he lost $1,100 in tonight.
Okay.
Oh, he did one. He shorted 73 3/4. Then it dropped. I don't know. It dropped down to like 71 3/4. I don't know. Hey Jay Reardon. Let's see here. Session is flying by. OM, really. Wait till September. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. No, he's not down. He's new, and he's been practicing on the Dom all day. I didn't care about a P&L. He never used the Dom before, so he's just practicing on the Dom. That's it. Just practicing on the Dom. You get the long on the gold? You and me both. I say it all day long. I mean, I don't, even last year August wasn't like this. You know? Does anybody know the best time to trade? You know the best day to trade the market? Does anybody know? I think I went over this one time before. Why not trade on chart? Not me. I don't even enter my orders. Anybody? I don't trade. I don't trade on a chart. I think you trade on a Dom. So much better. Get allowed 24 to 28 on the gold if you're long. See, right back up, down and up. So you should have bought, right? 24 and a halves, 22 and a halves, right? 1, 2. DJ. Don't tell me you missed it, because I called it when it was trading 27, right? I said 17 and a half to 24 and a half. When it was trading 27 and a half. But you got to start somewhere. What were you going to bid? 0? Boom. Right back up on the gold. The day after Thanksgiving is the best trading day. You should have bought that gold, Jeff. Brian, you get that long on the gold? I don't think I ever had a losing day on the day after Thanksgiving. Why is that? All I know is gold just rallied $9. I'm telling you, got a 30-minute bull flag. It pushes down to 21 and a half. Right? If I'm calling a range, you don't have to buy 24 and a halves. You can go 23 and a halves. You go 21 and a halves. Right? And I'm calling the 30-minute bull flag. Right? So you should have been taking longs on that gold. Right? The 30 reverse to buy. Right there. Look, the 30 reverse to buy. Right? You're in a positive trend now. You buy the pullbacks into the positive MACD. Wow. I didn't say that. I'm calling a pullback off a 30-minute bull flag on gold, right? And I gave a range, 17 and a half to 24 and a half. So you don't have to buy 24 and a halves. You could buy 23 and a halves. Could have bought 21 and a halves. I think that was a low, 21 and a half, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 21.6. So anyway, I hope you guys got that long. I'm not really sure, bull or bear. I haven't remembered that one. Well, anyway, I thought that was a great long on the gold. Okay. All right. Now, what you trade now, you say, okay, look to buy these here between the, you could keep it tight, 16 and a half to 22 and a half range. I don't know if you're going to get it or not, but you can try. I mean, you can go 14 and a half to 22 and a half, and you scale in every 2 points. Well, I would do it.
All right, let's do the last 4.
You said how many? 263 we had?
261.
All right, number 254. 254.
Josh Simpson.
Baby goat.
I don't know. Josh Simpson. I don't know if that's who that
That's
is.
Baby Goat. That's the one and only Baby Goat. Oh my God. Get in there, Baby Goat. Watch him not be here. Oh my God.
Simpson.
Is he here?
Simpson.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. He's probably not even here. What a shame.
Bueller.
All right. Well,
Hold on. I'm going to count. Going once. I can't believe it. He's always here. What a shame. Going twice. Baby goes away eating carrots. Oh my God. Next!
all right. Let's go.
I gave him a chance. I give everybody a chance. All right. Number 225.
My Too Nice.
My Too Nice? That's a t-shirt. I don't know. My Too Nice? I don't know. Never heard that one before. My Too Nice. He's here?
All right.
Is he here?
Next.
Let's do number 19.
Melvin 1088.
Oh my, he won again? Damn. Melvin here? What do I see?
Yep.
I see a short above 65, 68.
Next.
Number 147. 147.
Thurgood.
Oh, he's always here.
George.
Is it George?
Thurgood. THERGUD.
One scotch.
There he is.
And one
All right.
beer. Do.
Back to you.
We got one more?
Oh, that's it. Back to you.
Okay, thank you. Elaine seemed.
Just joking. There is one more. You're right.
I knew it, cousin.
Yeah. Come on.
Sergeant Cabooshed.
Yep.
Let's do a number here. Number 3. Just keep it simple.
Adam R. Pulse.
I think he's always here. Adam
Yeah,
R.
I'm pretty sure I see that guy.
Adam R. Adam R. Oh, come on. How could he be number 3 and not be here? Oh my God. Going once. Going twice. Next. Oh my, that's a shame. Really. Let's just do number 93. Number 93. And that's it.
93. Killer Viper 14.
Killer Viper 14.
Yeah.
Leo. Rommel. I Dice Bananas. See if this goal can get to 2025.
Here.
It's 30 minutes.
Back to you.
Another Green Asia session. Thank you, Stephen. Sergeant Banner. Oh my God. You know, they call you Sergeant Banner now, right?
That's because I changed my username to Sergeant
Did
Banner.
you really? Oh, you didn't tell me that. Thank you, Lou Dan. That's nice. Okay.
Yeah, I'm the red. I'm the Red Hulk. Yeah, you got that, huh? All right.
All right, I want to thank my Fund the Futures for being here, for allowing this. Again, the best prop firm out there. And thank you to Matt and Aaron and Sergeant Banner. Is it Sergeant or Surge Banner? Is it Surge Banner?
Sergeant.
Sergeant.
See, in the Marine Corps, we don't say Sarge. That's only the Army. We say the full rank in the Marine Corps.
Ooh.
So it's not, hey Sarge, even though you're a gunnery sergeant. It's not, hey Sarge, even though you're a first sergeant. You just say the full rank.
Ooh. Those are fighting words. Right. What a dead day here. But again, I want to thank everybody for being here. And again, if anybody, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to our live stream every day, 8:30 to 4, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. And the NQ, have a good night, everybody. We got 3 minutes. And you can text me if you have any questions or you need help with trading or anything. More than happy to talk to you to help you out. Again, you're very privileged here. My Fund of Futures is the best prop firm. Okay. And thank you, Chris. And I hope this gold rallies here. Too late now. I'm leaving. And you had your chances. You've had your chances today. Okay, so this 30-minute time frame should set up here. Oh, whoever bought the gold at 47.55, he jumped. He or she jumped. Brave day, God bless you too, Futures Duck. The NASDAQ back up one more time here. This gold should get another push up from this deep oversold condition. Damn, gold's down $40 off the high. Raveling, great job, my brother. This 55 was such a beautiful short. I think gold's going to pop one more time. Bitcoin going back up. Should. Go. Nasdaq's down 30 off the highs here. S&P ran into a brick wall, 75.76. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow night. Anybody seen Iceman? Hopefully Iceman's okay. But again, this is a great bunch of people. I hope to Tina pull over. Man, what was that noise? That fan noise. Oh my God. Hoping that this NASDAQ can break this 5-minute time frame here. I would stick with it, day trade. I'd buy a little bit more down here. These 15s and 30s should really push up here. Goes the NASDAQ. Time for a great cabooshin. We'll get the cabooshin sometime between September now and through October. We should get a cabooshin. You know, we should get a cabooshin. All right, it's 10 o'clock.
Let's go.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Okay, I think you get another big push up on the gold here. Okay, start scaling out 18 to 22. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. See you. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Be well, Aaron.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs.